how does your body regulate your blood sugar levels? So for any processes that are super, super important for the body, they have fail safes. They have multiple ways to achieve that same goal. So like I said, your body likes to keep your blood sugar in a relatively narrow range. And so mostly, at least prehistorically, it's been pretty concerned about keeping your blood sugar high enough, especially if there's not a lot of food going around, a lot of carbohydrates to eat. Your body still wants to make sure that it can keep blood sugar at a safe level, high enough so we can run away if we need to, if we can fight if we need to, all of those things that are really helpful for surviving a really long time, right? So your body, again, has fail-safe. So it's going to have glucagon, that's going to raise blood sugar. Cortisol, epinephrine, norepinephrine, growth hormone as well can all contribute to increasing your blood sugar. What's the hormone that decreases blood sugar? Insulin. That's it. It has one hormone to decrease blood sugar. That suggests that that particular process wasn't super important thousands of years ago, right? We didn't really have to worry about eating too many carbs to the point where we would really have to worry about lowering our blood sugar. Now with food on every corner, that's a big concern. Because insulin is the one hormone that can reduce your blood sugar when it gets too high, what are some of the things that we can do to help our body balance our blood sugar? It's pretty simple, really. Staying hydrated, moving, having good nutrition, making sure that we're eating high fiber foods, that we have protein at every meal, that we have healthy fats at every meal, and that we're moving. Moving is one way that we can pull blood sugar out of our bloodstream and into our muscles, into our tissues, because we're using it, right? Moving, weightlifting, more muscle mass you have, the more energy that you're going to use. It's just healthier for overall metabolism. So making sure that we're moving, we're exercising is really important. Having balanced meals is so crucial. So we want to have protein, healthy fats, high fiber foods, and along with our starchy carbohydrates. We want a balanced meal so we don't cause a huge spike in blood sugar and a huge crash later on. If we have a meal that's solely carbohydrates, say just like a bunch of sugar, it's going to cause our blood sugar to spike really fast and then crash really fast. Because again, that's really stressful in the body to have our blood sugar that high. So what's the body going to do? It's going to pump out a huge amount of insulin and cause that blood sugar to drop really fast. Hence we get really tired and we're hungry, craving sugar just 30 minutes later after we just had some, right? So we want protein, healthy fats, high fiber foods. Those macronutrients, so protein and fat, and then the fiber is also going to prevent that big sharp rise. And that's also from slowing gastric emptying. So gastric emptying just means the food sits in your stomach a little bit longer and it's gonna slow that absorption. So that's high blood sugar. If you have high blood sugar, those are some ways that we can help balance it and prevent it from spiking really high. But what if you have low blood sugar, so hypoglycemia?